little bit of vitamin C. This is the Maya Tropical and Colonial side. Another water park for kids. Swimming under the bridges. Jacuzzis, swim up bar. Lots of chairs. One of the great things I'm finding about this resort is you can be as quiet or as lively as you would care to be. They're doing aerobics over there. They're playing games in the water. They're swimming in the lazy river. They're having a cocktail. 2 big weddings happening. Sitting at the beach, going swimming. You can participate or just sit quietly. That's the cool thing about this resort. I really like it here.
Da unten sind viele.
Beautiful day for a wedding. Blue sky, turquoise water. The bride has chosen crimson. Red roses. White chiffon. She has white and red roses in the center. Seems to be about 75 guests. This is why people get married in destination. Peanuts and olives on every table. Umbrellas and fans as gifts for each of your guests. And by the time this bride does get married, so many of these beach lovers will have gone in for dinner. It's very stunning, the red. Very nice. Their initials are R and G. And there's the bar. I can see from here it's a good selection. Congratulations, R&G, may you share love for an eternity. If you're Catholic and need to get married in a Catholic chapel, here is one at Barcelo. Lovely setting with the water feature around you, and they have Mass as well. This is Captain Morgan, and you can use this area to have your wedding receptions. This is the Palmaris Grill, oceanfront, so you can get married on the beach, have your ceremony, and just walk across the beach, up the steps, and have your dinner reception here. It's very pretty. You get shade and cooling from the fans and a view of the stunning ocean. Couldn't be better. This is the beach in front of the Maya Beach portion of this resort. Nice swimmable beach. Fine powdery sand, and you can go out quite far and still stand. And over there they are building a zip lining park. So probably within a year, I would assume.